Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. An employee receives the following benefit: coffee provided daily, $50 gift card, employer paid health insurance. What amount is taxable? Is it all the items, the value of the coffee only, the $50, or none? What is the coffee provided daily? That's a fringe benefits. That's perfectly fine. It's not taxable, so we can take the coffee out. So all the item is out and the coffee is out. How about employer paid health insurance and a $50 health gift card? The employer paid health insurance, if the employer paid for it, it's not taxable. It's not taxable. What's left is the $50 gift card. Is the $50 gift card taxable? Yes, the $50 gift card, as if they're giving you $50 in cash, it is taxable. But the employer paid health insurance, it is a fringe benefit and it's excluded. Now you want to make sure you are familiar with fringe benefits, what's included, what's taxable, what's not taxable, and when it comes to taxes, what's subject to Social Security and withholding and what is not. It's not always the same rule. Now, whether you are a CPA exam candidate, enrolled agent, accounting student, what I'm going to tell you is this: the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, lectures, multiple choice exercises, true, false, AI, tools to help you succeed. Don't shortchange yourself. Your success depends on you, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.